Welcome back, everybody. Let's make some corner cabinets. Let's get started. Every project begins with a quick trip to my local lumber yard. After ripping down all my plywood sheets, I then have to adjust the blade at a 45-degree angle for all the edge cuts. I then have to cut all the pieces to their correct lengths. I used a rabbet joint method to join all my pieces together. A few screws for reinforcement never hurt anyone. Up next is the 45-degree cuts, which will end up being the actual shelves of the cabinets. And here I have my little assistant helping me out with the angled cuts there. Notching out a simple toe kick. And up next, I'm spacing out the shelves that I just cut, which I'll use the nail gun to secure in place. And after that's done, you'll see me screw in all the shelves from the back. Up next, I'm making the face frames of these cabinets. But first, I have to plane down the pine boards, get them to an equal thickness, and then finally rip them down and cut them down to the proper length. And of course, I'm using some pocket holes to secure all the horizontal pieces to the vertical pieces. I was surprised, well, not that surprised, with how well the face frame fit onto the cabinets. They aligned pretty nicely. Now I use some wood filler to fill in the nail holes, which I then sanded later, and trust me, I spared you the boredom of the sanding footage. Up next, I'm ripping down all the pieces that I'll need to make the actual doors for these cabinets. To join them, I'll be using my favorite new tool, which is the Fest tool, to join all these pieces together. I'm just notching out a groove here where the panel for the doors will slide into. I painted all the edges on these cabinets before hitting it with 3 coats of paint with my paint sprayer. And of course I went with European style hinges. And just like that, these corner cabinets are done and ready for delivery. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.